Well, g'day folks. I'm at Ocean Grove at the moment in Victoria, so I'm going to take a bike ride around the town, around the beach, and show you what it's like. So there's bike tracks all around Ocean Grove. You can ride on the beach like I'm doing now. There's beautiful walking tracks and bike tracks that go all the way into the centre of town and then come back like in a big loop, and you can do it along the beach, along the river, and then into town and back to the bridge where I started at. So it's a really great spot to ride a bike or have a walk. I'll keep going, so I'm heading up to the boat ramp now. So I'm at the boat ramp, and it's a great little boat ramp. There's two lanes, two separate jetties to kind of tie up on and hang out on, and a huge big car park. So the main bridge is behind me, just around the corner. So it's not far. It's like in a car, a drive from the beach, from the bridge to here would be like 2 or 3 minutes. And just over behind me, still got the boat ramp here. Right behind me here is the golf course, beautiful golf course, nice and green. As I said, there's a toilet block and a huge big car park, so it's a great spot to come and try your fishing. You go from here, you can go up the river or out to the ocean. So anyway, we'll keep going. I'll ride into town now and show you the main street. So here we are now on the main street of Ocean Grove. It's pretty quiet today because it's a Sunday afternoon, but there's heaps of great shops. It's very pretty with the tiles on the ground, and there's takeaway shops and clothes shops and travel shops and healthcare shops and restaurants, a supermarket further up the street. But it is a great little street. I think it's one way by the looks of it. Anyway, we'll go further up and see what else we can find. So I've done my big loop around the town now, and I'm back down on the beach. I'm not sure how windy it is in these microphones, but I'm going to ride from here back up towards the river, past the yacht club, show you around there a little bit. Not the yacht club, the surf club. But this beach is magnificent. It goes forever. It's really great. So I'm going to ride the bike along the beach again, back up to the car and show you the yacht club. And yeah, there's heaps of people out, not so much swimming, but there's heaps of people kite surfing, and hang gliding further up the beach here. So it's a great spot, but we'll keep going up there and get out of this wind. Well, I'm back at the car now, so that loop was about 8 kilometers and it took me 1 hour exactly to do. And it was so nice and so fun that I did it 2 times. I got back to the car, then I did it again. But that's a great loop. So I'm parked just near the bridge at Ocean Grove. There's a whole bunch of car parks here, it's easy to find. But come and have a look, come and have a walk, have a swim, have a surf, have a bike ride. It's a fantastic place, and I don't think you regret it at all. Alright, see you in the next video. G'day folks, I thought I'd just give you a quick look at this program I've put together. Now it's called the Goal Chart program. Now what you see here is the complete Goal Chart program. So if you're interested in buying a program like this, what it does, it's a program to help you design your life. So it helps you design the career you want, how to get the things you want, how to get investment properties, how to get relationships, how to get money, toys, whatever you want, whatever's important to you, this program can help you design that. So if we have a look at it, so what you get is the Goal Chart program, a step-by-step guide to help you design and achieve everything you want in life. Now this program is about 84, 85, 86 pages long, and what you get, this is the instructional book, so you get all these instructions on how to put together your goal chart. So it's fantastic and very comprehensive. You get here the Goal Chart workbook, so this is 8 or 9 pages long. 8 or 9? 8. So this is the worksheet book. So you get the blue book, you work through it, you end up filling out the green book. So at the end of that you've got a complete goal chart that you can put on your wall, put next to your bed, put on your desk that helps you show where you are on the chart, what the next step is, what you've achieved, the things you can spend money on, the toys you can buy, everything is included. So when you finish that, you've got this fantastic goal chart completed. Now you also get in the program, now this is all stuff that I've put together, so you won't get this anywhere else. You also get the Book of Thoughts. So this is a book written by myself, 136 pages long maybe, something like that. And what it is a book full of fantastic quotes that I've heard or I've come up with myself over the years. And you get a quote and you get the meaning of the quote at the bottom. So it's designed for, you know, you can, it's small enough to put, well, it's small enough as in it's not too long, 160, 100, how many pages? 136 pages or something like that. So it's not going to take you too long to read. It's great for reading when you go to bed or, you know, somewhere like that. It's easy to read. You read the quote, read the meaning. Read the quote, read the meaning. So it's fantastic. So if you're interested in a goal chart program or a way to help design your life in a way that might help map out some things, if you're not completely happy with what you have at the moment, this is a fantastic goal chart that might be just right for you. So get the goal chart, get the book, get the worksheet, and get the Book of Thoughts to go along with it. So if you're interested, take a look. You can look up my website, which is www.happylifeme.net, and yeah, have a great day. See you soon.